Hello YouTube. Today I am going to be making a video using 11 by 14 Dollar Tree frame, which is a really nice size for $1. I already have my vinyl cut out, so it says Vernell's Bae Cave. Vernell is my aunt, and she has a very lavish and classy and comfortable like ladies den. And I just wanted to make her something cute because I made my sister-in-law something cute. So my aunt heard about it. Of course, she wanted something too. So I'm going to be making her something as well. I have this glitter table runner. It's 12 by 48 inch. And I purchased this from Five Below. It's not sequin material. It's like some type of paper material. And it's so pretty. Her Bae Cave is like a chocolate and pink color. So last time I made something like this, I actually removed the glass and used the cardboard, put glitter all over it. So this is a simpler way to do that because I didn't have this color glitter. So when I saw this in Five Below, I was like, okay, that's perfect. So I had to grab this. You will need some transfer tape, old gift card or credit card to smooth everything over, and some scissors. So I already weeded this out. If you want to know how to do this, you can look at my previous video. I kind of like glazed over it how to use a silhouette cameo. I know some people have crickets. I have a silhouette cameo and I like really like it, but I heard crickets are pretty cool too. I guess it's just a preference thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer what I cut out onto the tape, and I'll write in the description everything I used to complete this DIY. Now this is something cute for a Bae Cave, aka ladies den, but you can also use something like this for your, well, something, a smaller frame, like for your desk at work. It can be a housewarming gift. There's so much that you can do with it. Right now, what I'm going to do is take the frame apart by carefully pulling the tabs up. And I'm going to measure out how much of this table runner I am going to need to fill the frame. So just in case you didn't see the video where I did something like this before, I put glitter all over this in Mod Podge. I had to do 2 or 3 coats of it. It didn't take that long for me, but I know this is going to be a much simpler process. So let's see. The frame is 11 by 13. This is 12 by 48. So I'm going to have to do just a little bit of cutting. So you just want to make sure you measure out exactly how much you'll need. Let's see here. You want to make sure it's kind of exact. I guess it's kind of okay if you do too much, but if you don't do enough, then you'll have to do it, start all over. You get plenty. 48 inches, I mean, for $3, you can't beat that. So let's see, and I know I'm gonna have to cut on the side a little bit. So let's turn the frame this way. Hopefully I can get this as straight as possible. The silhouette cameo is just amazing because you could put any message on here you want. Just imagine if you're like some type of coordinator or you want to decorate your baby shower or something. You can put welcome blah 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 baby. You could put gender reveal, boy or girl, any type of cute message that you see fit. And it would be so awesome. I missed a tab. There we go. Pop those back on. Any excess you have hanging off. See that little bit right there? I'm just gonna cut that little edge piece off. I'll worry about that later. That's on the back. Anywho, pay attention to the tabs. I want this to be a wide way. Voila, look at that, you guys. This is so much more simpler than what I did with just the manual glitter. The manual glitter was cool, but look at this. This is so quick. Oh my goodness, this is like super quick. And because, oh, this is perfect. This is like a chocolate, I thought it was black, but it's like this looks like it's brown to me. These are the exact colors of her Ladies Den, AKA Bae Cave. This is gonna be so nice. And if I had some brown or chocolate, if I had brown or chocolate colored signed vinyl, that would just be perfect, but I don't. So I'll be using this white. So I'm gonna wipe this off with alcohol, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer over this onto here. You want to smooth that over as much as possible. Alcohol. Wipe everything off really good. And even if you have some cardstock glitter paper, like I said before in my other video, cardstock glitter paper, or if you don't mind just glittering the back cardboard piece, that's cool too. It just takes a little bit more time because you have to let each layer dry in between, which doesn't take that long, but if you could just cut and put it in there like this, why the heck not? Like, I wouldn't mind getting this in more colors just because I could probably think of something else cool to do with this. But that's all wiped off. Just make sure it's dry. Now we are going to go ahead and add our words. I want these hearts to be not where they are. I want them to be placed in a different spot when I put them on. So I'm just gonna cut that like that. I can cut the whole thing in half actually, but I have it lined up so perfectly. Let's see. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it in half. That was silly. Cut that in half. Take off her name first. Carefully peel that off, nice and slow, because sometimes if you don't rub hard enough, it won't transfer all the way over. Cool. All right. I'm going to stand up so I can make sure I eyeball this properly. I like to, for some reason, bend it because I feel like if I do this way, sometimes I can get air pockets and bubbles, but that's just me. I like to bend it in half. Let's see. Make sure it's nice and centered. Oh, let me make sure I have the back part. Okay, yeah. I like to do oh, I have a feeling she is really going to like this. My aunt is the bomb when it comes to decorating and stuff, so I just wanted to add a nice touch to her little room. So I think she's really gonna like this. So you just want to really rub, give it a nice smooth rub so it transfers over properly. Not too hard and crazy because you don't want to break the glass. And I'm gonna put this on too. Peel this off, nice and slow, just like that. Take your time. Okay, good, we got it on the first try. Now you just want to make sure you line that up. And again, I like to bend it and then lay it down. Line it up nice and even. Okay, there we go. Take your old gift card or your smoothing card. Put a little pressure on it, but again, not too much because you don't want to break the glass. We're going to go ahead and we are going to peel this off. Gonna start with the top. I like to go in an upward motion for some reason. This tape is so strong too. Got this off eBay. Okay. All right. So I have the first one pulled off. Again, I like to do an upward motion. If you ever pull this up and it's coming up still on the transfer tape, you just lay it right back down and you just keep smoothing until you get it. Don't get discouraged because that happens quite a bit sometimes. This is some really good transfer tape. And transfer tape shouldn't cost you any more than about 10 bucks, depending on how much you get. Uh-oh. Be careful how I'm pulling this. All right. That is like super cute. Love it. But it's not finished. Remember, I have these two little hearts. So I'm trying to decide if I want to use both hearts. Like maybe put one here and one here or one here. And I don't know, I can't decide. Where should I put these little hearts? They're so cute. Okay, let's just go for it. I'm gonna put the hearts. I think this part is, I think I'm gonna put it right there. Bam. It's on there now. Or do I just need one? Maybe just one. Or do I want to put one right here? This part seems so open. If I have one here, then I have to put one here. I'm gonna just do one. Sometimes less is more. I want to add a little blangy blang blang. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Because my aunt likes sparkly stuff. I know the glitter is sparkly enough in the background, but I know she'll appreciate this. Or I was thinking about just doing some pearls on it. So, should I go with the pearls? I think just adding a couple of pearls. I happen to have this bag that has all different type sizes. Ooh, this bag that has multiple sizes in it. And it's not gonna take me long at all. I'm gonna use some little dollar store Fix-All adhesive, dollar store. Oh, if I can get it open. Okay. 2. Add a little bit of glue. I have this little pickup tool here. Give it like a little 3D effect. That last part is completely optional, but here's a close-up of the heart with the pearls on it, and I think it's just so pretty. Now, if you want to be extra, 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 you could pearl out all the letters, but I think this is beautiful the way it is. Just let that dry. Once everything is dry, I'll go over again and wipe all of this off with alcohol. Okay, this is a better look. And I think it's so pretty. Okay, share and subscribe. All right. And again, you can make this for any occasion. You can make it for your children's room, housewarming gift, something with a cute message. Like if you want to put like a little religious message on something, just get you some signed vinyl, get a silhouette cameo so you can cut stuff out. All right, like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.